Hello everyone. If your Google Chrome not working, don't worry. It's too easy to fix it. It's few steps. If you do it right, your Google Chrome is gonna be work and right and read everything. So first one is make sure your time it's correct. If it's not correct, just click right and adjust that time, and make sure your time zone is perfect where you live. And after you've done that, click X and try your Google Chrome. If it's working, that's perfect. If it's not, don't worry, we have another solution for you. Go to type here to search and just type REG. You will find Registry Editor. Click yes, and on here go to Hey Local Machine and then Software, and then you will find Google. Click here and send this one and right click and delete this file. After you delete, click X and restart your PC. If it's working, that's perfect. If it's not, go to type here to search again and type settings and go to apps. On apps, find your Google Chrome. From here, click once and uninstall. After you've done that, go open any browser you have, like Edge, Microsoft Edge browser, and from here just type Google. After you type Google, just click here Chrome, download. You will find it. So just re-download your Google Chrome and everything, your favorites, everything is gonna be still there, because when you uninstall the Google Chrome, it's not deleting any file you have it. Hopefully this video helped you. If it's helped you, please hit like button and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.